This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food 5. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine chicken teriyaki in a bowl instead of on a sub, with some greeny vegetably stuff in it, and some nicey sauce. Well, don't I feel healthier already? I spent $9.95 on something that wasn't deep fried. See, I'm so strong I can get the top off. While you're watching this, make sure that your salad tossing skills are up to speed, so that you can spend the night in jail and impress the other inmates with your culinary prowess. Put over medium-low heat. Half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of dairy creamer, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of poppy seed, pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, pinch of garlic powder, bring into a boil, and then whisk and set aside to cool. Slice up a chicken breast fillet. Boil until cooked through. Place in a fry pan with some teriyaki sauce, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olives, pickled gherkin, pickled jalapenos, capsicum, grated carrot, red onion, teriyaki chicken, mozzarella, and serve it up with that sweet onion sauce. Of course you get your free choice of salad, but because I'm scungy and I was hungry, I decided to go for the light. You can pick whatever cheese you want too, and whatever sauce. I just go with whatever I go to for the sub special, and that sweet onion sauce is something else. I'm having mine with coleslaw. Nice and worth the effort. Not bad for a tad under $5. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Thursday.